Hey everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and I still have tons of stuff to do videos on that was waiting for me when we got home from Yuma. So today I'm going to share with you some Skechers. Now, every year, Bob always needs another pair of tennis shoes. He goes through them, you know. I mean, he doesn't wear them when he golfs because he has golf shoes for that, but I'm not rough on my shoes at all, let's say. He is. So we always try to go to the Skechers Outlet before we come home from Yuma because they've always had in past years, you buy one, you get one half off. So we always come out with at least 2 pairs of shoes for him. And lately I've been finding shoes for me. Well, when we went this year, they didn't really have anything we liked. Plus, they don't have that sales like that anymore. So it wasn't something we absolutely liked. We thought, well, let's wait till we get to Vegas. When we stop in St. Michelle, we'll go to the outlet stores there because we know they've got a lot of the Skechers there. So we did. So let's get started. And let's see. I'll start with his first. Now, he only got 1 pair. Because he hates to spend money on himself. And these were a little more pricier than what he likes to spend on himself. So, let's see. He got these. Okay, sharp looking. Maximum Comfort. And what did he pay for his? No price on the box. Oh, $105. So, this is what Bobby got. They feel really sturdy. And he tried them on, of course, and they were real comfy. Let's put them back in the box. I don't know if he wants to wear them now or wait till we want a trip. I know he's got a couple of boxes of shoes that he likes to wear on our trips. Oh. Then I found some. But mine were on sale. So, of course, I got 2. Let's see. Oh, look at sand in the bottom of the bag. Of course, it was a desert. Looks like sand. They were just in the back of the car for the whole trip. Here's the receipt. So yes, $105 for his. Okay, so mine, start out with this one. Aren't these cute? I really like, because I've already had a couple like this that are, I have a brown pair and another kind of blue one. The blue one I took on our Caribbean cruise. And they worked really well. So, if I find a shoe that works well with me, I gotta get them. So, I got this one. This was normally $60, and I got it for navy and aqua. Is that navy and aqua? No. Okay. I got these for $39.99 because they took what they called an Easter sale of 20% off. So it was another, they were $49.99. Started at $60, went to $49.99, and then I got them for $39.99. Can't complain about that. Nobody can, not even Bobby. Not that he would dare. Then I got another pair of tennis shoes. Now my tennis shoes last me a long time to the point where I get new ones just being in style. I thought these are really cute for our next trip because I'm bringing mainly navy. I am bringing black too, but it doesn't matter. I'll wear them anyway. But see, I love the colors on it, and they're slip-in kind, so you know when you're at the airport, slip in, slip off. You don't have to untie them and worry about slipping on the laces. Okay, so these were normally $70. They were marked down to $59.99 plus, excuse me, I got another 20% off. So they took another 12 off, which made it $47.99. Pretty good. So, that was that. That should do us now. We're ready for the next year. Next year to come, we'll be wearing these. So, I didn't used to be able to wear Skechers because I had such problem feet. But lately, I've been finding, since they've been really working on their styles and padding them and all that kind of stuff, that they've been working okay. So I've been able to buy them. And they're cheaper than what I used to have to buy, which was Brooks brand, which is only 130 for 140 bucks, because they were the only shoes that were comfortable enough for me. But now, hey, at these prices, and they feel pretty comfortable, I'll go for it. So what should I add here? We've only been talking 5 minutes. We'll keep it short. What do you think? So comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a terrific week, terrific day, terrific month, terrific Easter. I love you all. Bye.